Hello and welcome to our SOFA series. This is something we do once a month at UFCW 832. My name is Erin Selby. I'm the Director of Education and Training. And before we get started, we always like to make sure we do a land recognition. So as long as the sun shines and the grass grows, the river flows, UFCW Local 832 acknowledges that we are gathered and work each day on ancestral lands, the traditional territory of the Anishinaabe, Cree, Oji-Cree, Dakota, and Dene people, and on the homeland of the Métis Nation. Our offices are located in Treaty 1 and 2 territory, and our work extends into Treaties 3, 4, and 5. We recognize the injustices done to the Indigenous people of the land, and we are committed to supporting and collaborating with Indigenous communities in the spirit of truth and reconciliation.
Welcome to Community Living Interlake. We're going to do crafts today. We're the Community Living Association based in Stonewall. We support 40 adults that live with intellectual disabilities. We have houses where people live, of course, and we have apartments where people get some supported independent living. And we also run a day program and a gift shop and a store called Something Beautiful on Main Street, Stonewall, and those are social enterprises. Our goal in those is to employ some of these folks. So some of our staff are going to work with some of the individuals who come here on a daily basis and show you some good Christmas crafts. And they're fun and they're kind of cute and it'll be great.
All right. Hello, my name is Marissa and I am the Manager of Client Care here at Community Living, and this is
Mikey.
Mikey. He lives in one of our group homes and he's going to help me make little toques. All right, so we need to take this paper towel roll and cut it in 4 pieces. And this is what we're going to make our hat out of. So I cut all 40 pieces of yarn to 12 inches. We're gonna loop them, do this. Now I'm struggling. Don't laugh at me. Just gonna keep doing this all the way around. So just put your 2 ends together like that, and then you can pass it to me quicker as a team. Now that we have our fun little jellyfish, we just kind of want to pull all of our strings nice and tight. And then we're going to push them through to make our brim. Just kind of pull them, straighten them out for me and brush them with your fingers, and I will cut another piece to tie it off. Shedding on you. All right. So now we are going to lay this down and we're going to make our little pom-pom top. Tying it off. Put another knot so it doesn't come out. We gotta stuff it with the Kleenex. You wanna stuff it in? Perfect. And now we're gonna make it messy. We are gonna cut our pom-pom. Trim off any more. And now we have our little hats. Good job.
Okay, I'm Andrew Milichuk,
And I'm Charlotte Gauthier.
A bit safer.
And we are going to make a snowman ornament for the Christmas tree today. So what we're going to do is glue 4 white painted popsicle sticks to these cardboard. Now we're going to do this.
Okay.
So now, instead of painting, we're just going to use a black marker. I'll get Andrea to. Andrea's colored the tops of the. Yeah, that's black. So if you want to look at this one, Andrea, and give them 2 eyes up here. Okay.
Yeah.
Nose down there. Nose down.
How's this? Perfect. So it's pushed it down.
Shut down. Okay. And a little snowflake on the corner to cover that.
Yeah. The stick. Yeah. Oh,
Shut down. Perfect. And there you go. I want to show you this man that you need. That's the little popsicle man that Andrea made.
I want to thank you for joining us on today's SOFA series. If you are interested in knowing more about your union, or maybe you're not part of a union and you're interested in knowing how you could join UFCW, you can always check out our website at UFCW832.com. Thank you so much for joining us, and thank you for being here.